Happy 1 year, BB.
Happy 1 year, baby.
I love you. Actually, I used to date the coach. Whoa. Things that are worth it. Laser hair removal. So excited.
Where should we live?
Yeah, where should we live? What the Finch? Hello, good evening, good afternoon, good night, good morning. We actually did just wake up from a nap. Oh my God, you guys. We just got back from Kayla and Oliver's wedding, our friends, and we had quite the night. We were back.
It was a long one, to say
A
the
long
least.
one. You want to tell them what's up?
We're going to Dan.
Well, yes.
It's a dinner in celebration of 1 year. 1 year of us being together.
Crazy.
Officially.
1
Quote unquote.
year of being together. Yeah.
Since I popped the
Q. The Q.
GFQ.
The BFGFQ. Yeah, don't get confused. So, we're going to dinner. It's gonna be good.
And I really just want to show off the awesome food that we're gonna eat. So I was like, did you bring the camera?
Yes, we will document it, but yeah, so we're gonna do that. We're very excited. It's Sunday. Our real actual day is tomorrow, July 12th. But Nick is going on a work trip because he doesn't love me, so I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. He has a work trip Monday through Thursday. Wow, my arm is getting tired. So we're celebrating tonight, but we're probably gonna do some more fun, like trip weekend away situation later on. For now, whoa, I just got blurry. Hello, it's because the lighting changed. This is also why I want that new camera. Even though I love the camera, G7X has really done me good. Anyway, so I'll show you guys everything that we get. Then, we're in a couple months. We have other things happening. Whoa. We gotta start looking at places.
Apartment hunting.
Apartment hunting. Oh my God, I'm so freaking excited to vlog that. So excited.
Where should we live?
Yeah, where should we live? But I'm actually like very much into the idea of going and seeing like as many places as I can, even if it's like we don't think we want to live there or whatever. Like I just want to see a bunch, and I want to like just kind of get to know the market. I'm starting to get really curious just about the way that things are priced and what, you know, goes on with like, I don't want to say real estate because we're talking like apartment buildings in LA, but very curious about the whole process and just, yeah, what determines what's available and what the pricing is. And so I want to like show you guys like, oh, here's what you can get for this amount of money in Santa Monica or whatever. Anyway, I'm fucking rambling, going to dinner. Happy 1 year, BB.
Happy 1 year, baby.
I love you. Yeah, okay. All right, here we are at this restaurant. We got some oysters because we gotta do it. And look how cute the design in this restaurant is. I'm kind of obsessed. These chairs are really cute. Anyway, we're like looking at the menu, trying to do like a little mukbang of kind of everything, so yeah. Oh my God, this looks amazing. I got basically a hibiscus margarita, but with vodka instead of tequila. All right, first oyster, down the hatch, let's do it. Good. Oh yeah.
Very fresh.
Next on the menu, cheese rice balls.
It's arancini.
Oh.
Arancini.
Arancini. What does it look like on the inside? Oh. Clam bake, clam bake. Oh yeah.
We are doing it and doing it well.
This is so much food. We are sharing these, just so you know. There's someone playing guitar, walking around the restaurant. Fearful. What's up, you guys? Good morning and welcome to this day. It is Wednesday and I am about to walk into my base camp class. I have 3 minutes until it actually starts, so I better get going. We have the mask mandate again now in Los Angeles, which sucks, but we were used to it for so long that I guess it's not that bad. So I'm gonna run into class and I'll talk to you soon. Here we go. Well, that workout actually killed me. That was so hard. It was so much cardio, but it felt really good. I got called out like a million times because I know the coach and I'm like a veteran member. I've been there forever, as you guys know. And actually I used to date the coach. gosh. Anyway, but I got called out like a million times because I was pushing myself harder on the floor, like doing double of stuff, so then I would finish early, and then he would see me finish early and be like, you have to do 10 more because you finished early, and I was like, but you didn't see me. I'm popping into Target really quick. I have a pretty full work day. I am getting my laser hair removal. Not that that's work, but that's just another thing that's happening. Pretty full work day because, again, this weekend is another wedding. This is the big wedding of, you know, my really good friend who I'm actually a bridesmaid in the wedding. I can't speak English, apparently. My sentences are not making sense, but I'm running into Target because I'm having a little bit of a nail dilemma. So I had those Gel X nails on for the past like month or so. I finally took those off. My nails are pretty weak, but like they're actually not very damaged. They're just really thin. So I don't really want to put Gel X on again and commit for 4 weeks because I do too many activities. I want to go rock climbing. I want to like work out, play sports, and they were actually fine for all of that, but I just don't want to commit to having them on for that long, and getting them put on takes so long. So I'm taking one of my friend's recommendations and getting these stick-on, like professional looking stick-on nails from Target. My problem is I feel like they're gonna pop off everywhere that I go this weekend, but I'm gonna get them now. It's only Wednesday. I leave tomorrow. Oh my God, I leave tomorrow. Okay, I leave tomorrow, but I wanna like test them out today and just make sure that they're fine. Worst case scenario, I get a manicure tomorrow morning, but I think I'll be fine. So let's go find those. Come on. All right, so here is the kind of stick-on nail section. They have a lot of really cute patterns, but these ones you don't use glue, you just stick them on, and I don't trust that. Plus, I need to be a little bit more like nude for this one, so I'm looking at these like acrylic French ones, but they're a little bit more nude, and then these ones that are a little bit, well, also nude, just square. So they have these, but then they have the slightly more like white ones, so I can't tell which ones I want, but I think these ones. Do I want these? I also got this Naked plant protein like little drink right now. I've had Naked drinks before, but just not the protein one. But if you guys work out, I highly recommend having protein shakes like after every time you work out. I used to think that it would like bulk me up. I didn't know anything about it. I had all these misconceptions, but getting enough protein when you do work out intensely is like one of the keys to actually recovering, performing better, feeling more like energetic. So I really try now after I work out to get my protein in. Especially females like need more protein than we think, and it is actually hard to get as much as we need. So I'm gonna try this. Let's see how it goes. I still don't have the car tripod, so this lighting is fantastic. Guys, I want that new camera so bad. Okay, 10 out of 10 recommend. This one's actually really good, and it's plant-based, so there's no dairy. All right, I'm back from Target. I'm just gonna show you what I got, and then later today I'm actually gonna try some of these nails because I wanna see how they go. All right, so these are the two that I ended up going with, and I'll link all of these things down below. So I went with the French acrylic tip nails that I guess like are just glue on nails, so hopefully they're good. They are square shaped. And then I got some nude acrylic French ones that are a little bit more like coffin shaped. I'm gonna try both of those. I bought the normal glue. I find that this one is like the most strong, and then you can kind of just carry it around with you in a purse in case a nail pops off, which I'm hoping doesn't happen because it's kind of ratchet, but it was happening all last year when I used to use these. And then I just bought this like Sally Hansen top coat that says it dries instantly. I'm wondering if this will help nail polish just dry really fast when I do paint my nails. That's part of why I never paint my nails, and I just don't have enough patience for it, is because it does not dry quickly, and I hate that. So I'm gonna see if this actually works. Then I bought this because it was only like $2, and it's one of those nail polish remover things that you stick your finger in. I just ran out of acetone. Luckily, it lasts me so long. So yep, gonna try that. And then I just bought a couple more nail file things, and these are like cuticle sticks, I guess. So whatever, they were like $1. So that's my, wow, that's my haul. Now it's time to shower and shave and get ready for laser. On another note, I've been really trying to get better about posting TikToks regularly and posting reels. I'm trying to experiment with Instagram reels because apparently it's like a thing that Instagram wants you to do now. So I was experimenting, and I actually posted a TikTok yesterday that like blew up. It got like 250,000 views, which was kind of cool. It was literally just like fun facts about kissing. So I'm gonna be like on a TikTok reels kind of grind nowadays, and I'm pretty happy about that. It's gonna be exciting. It's fun to just focus on content. I'm pretty much just focusing on content from here until the end of the year. So that'll be fun. Okay, just showered and shaved, and let me tell you, I am so happy I get laser because that took so long. My God, things that are worth it. Laser hair removal. Got a fat zit on my forehead. Really hoping that bad boy goes away before the wedding. But yeah. Let's see, I have to leave in like an hour, so I'm gonna go get a vlog up and eat some food, and then we'll be on our merry way. All right, here we are in Glendale. When I wore these sunglasses last time, Nick said it looks like I have a unibrow, but I like them. They're part of Ashley Benson's collaboration with Privé Revaux. Anyway, I'm like late, so I gotta go, and I'm not gonna film it because that's weird. I'm gonna be fully naked, but love you guys. Hey guys, okay, so I accidentally left my vlog camera in my car. So I've just been like editing and working the past couple hours, so you really didn't miss anything. But I was like, wait a minute, I should probably go get that before it just melts. It's been a little bit hot out. So right now, what I'm gonna do, I think, is actually put on those nails and like test it out and see what happens there. I think I'm gonna film a little reel of me doing it because why not? Content. But I'm like so frustrated because my Instagram account doesn't have the capability of doing 60-second reels, only 30 seconds. But some other people are able to do 60 seconds, so I'm kind of confused. Let me know in the comments if you guys have that option because I hate you. I'm just kidding. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Oh, also, I got a package in the mail. It was actually for Nick, something that I ordered for him. I ordered him some ties for the wedding. So I got him like these skinny ties that are floral because basically he has this outfit that's pretty much all black. So I thought it'd be really cute to have like a patterned tie. He thought it was cute too. I'm not just dressing him, but I did think it would be cute. So it came with these 4 and it was literally like $10 for 4 ties. So that's pretty lit. But yeah, so I was talking to my friends and they said that these ones are like very, very short. So I think I might go with the longer ones because I already have like kind of long nail beds. So that's what I'm gonna do. We will see what happens. Okay, success. They look actually really good. I ended up cutting the tips and filing them down so they're more square and not coffin shape. I also just like can't handle long nails right now. 4 weeks is plenty for me. I filmed a little reel of me putting them on, so go check that out on Instagram if you want. Yeah, I think they look really nice. My only concern will be like them popping off during the wedding, but I'm gonna pack the glue and you know what, whatever. Or might just get like a last minute manicure tomorrow. I don't know. Probably not, let's be honest. All right, anybody who knows me will never believe this, but it is Wednesday night and I'm leaving tomorrow at like 2 p.m. for Santa Barbara and I am packing tonight. I never do that. I'm a very last minute person and I'm usually stressed and scrambling, so it will feel good to have it done before bed. And yes, another day, another wedding. So I made a list of the outfits that I need and basically I'm just gonna start laying some stuff out. I might try some things on, we will see. I finally get to wear these beautiful white shoes that like tie up the ankle. I'm gonna wear these with my Friday night green dress. So this is not for the actual wedding, these are for the like cocktail party. So it's like a midi kind of tight dress. I'll show you guys once it's on. I think I posted in another vlog about it, but I showed these to Nick and he was like, I don't like the shape. Boys, and I was like, well, sorry, I'm wearing them. So yeah, I'll try to link all this stuff below in case you guys are interested in anything, but that's what I'm wearing for that. And then you guys also saw in the last vlog, these shoes are what I'm actually wearing with the bridesmaid dress. They're not like ugly. They're not the best shoes in the world, but they're gonna be really comfortable and they are the exact right height I need for the dress. The dresses are gonna be like perfectly like touching the floor. It's gonna be pretty elegant. Okay, it is a little bit later. Here's the progress I've made so far. It's not great. This is gonna be my Friday dress rehearsal outfit. It's like a maxi dress. I don't know why I didn't just film it when it was on my body, but I'll show you guys once I get there. This is my Friday night cocktail welcome party outfit. So I spent a lot of time like trying this stuff on and making sure it all worked, hence my slowness. So now the rest is pretty much easy. It's like lounge clothes and the actual wedding clothes I don't have to bring. The bridesmaid dress is with Tori at the place already. So I basically just need like lounge clothes, workout clothes, and a brunch outfit. The brunch outfit's what I need to figure out now. So, but I'm gonna take a little break for a second and finish the rest of my dinner that I ordered earlier. I got some curry and I didn't finish it. So I'm gonna take a little break. I have to wake up tomorrow and edit 2 videos. Yay, but I'm trying to be good about it. So yay. Oh my god, I need to not forget my freaking bridesmaid shoes. I like had a weird feeling I might forget them, but I won't. I'm gonna set them out now. I have been procrastinating for like 50,000 hours. I literally went down to make food and then just started like going on random Instagram story rants and like filming random crap. And now it's 11:30. I haven't done anything different, but I'm gonna take this zit dot off my head. Look at how much is in there. Sorry if this is gross. Okay, ready. Okay, it is like melded onto my head. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The real test is gonna be squeezing it out. Hello from my blue world. It's 1 a.m. I'm not even done packing, but oh my god, it just took me so long to go through and actually try stuff on and not forget anything. So I'm almost done packing. I feel way better about it now. I'm so glad I didn't try to do this tomorrow. So I pretty much know exactly what I need to grab in the morning, and then I'm just going to edit a bunch of videos and basically head over to Nick's house. I'm gonna try to beat traffic, so I'll probably leave for Nick's at noon, and then we're gonna leave from his house to Santa Barbara at 2 or 3. So it's gonna be a fun, amazing weekend, but I am so exhausted. I'm gonna get some sleep, but I'll see you guys tomorrow.